Hi, want to know how to enable or disable voice assistants on your Sony WF-C700N? So, as a first step, we would need to open Sony Sound Connect application and also make sure that our earbuds are connected with our phone. Here, if your earbuds are connected, you'll be automatically able to see the settings for your earbuds. Now, to enable or disable the voice assistants, we would need to scroll down and go to this tab which is named Device Settings. Then go to this tab which is named System and scroll down. Here, you'll be able to find the notification and voice guide which is currently enabled because this slider is blue. Here you can also change the language of voice assistants, and if you have any questions, what is it? This is the voice that you can hear inside your earbuds when you're turning them on or turning them off. And the voice is saying like turned on, turned off, noise control, ambient sound, and features like this. If you would like to disable this feature, click on this slider, and after this it will become gray, which means that this feature is disabled. But otherwise, if you would like to enable it, click on this slider, and if you would like to switch the language, click on this list and here select the language that you would like to use for the voice guide. And this is it. I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.